In 2015, Kylie really rose to fame within the beauty industry as she launched her own cosmetics line, the infamous Kylie Lip Kits. Helping to kickstart the matte liquid lipstick trend, Kylie made her mark on the industry and has continued to play an integral part in its success. The youngest member of the Kardashian clan, Kylie Jenner, has come a long way from her first appearance at just 9 years old on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Now aged 24, the beauty entrepreneur has amassed a huge fortune, so it's no surprise that she has bought and sold a number of properties over the years. At just 21 years old, Kylie Jenner earned the title of the youngest self-made billionaire ever from Forbes and has spent time investing her fortune in top-end real estate, much like the rest of the Kardashian-Jenner family. With a number of amazing homes spread throughout California, she currently lives in Los Angeles in a Holmby Hills mega mansion with her 3-year-old daughter, Stormi. Welcome back to another exciting video from Booming Business. Today's video is about Kylie Jenner's mansions. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's get started. They say the third time's the charm. Well, it seems like Kylie found a home that she really loved in her third property purchased in 2016. After spending $12 million on a Hidden Hills mansion, she turned her main residence into a pink paradise. Unlike her previous properties, this one felt so Kylie, so custom, and so paying. She was obviously proud of how much it reflected her, as well as she was featured in Architectural Digest. But with this home, I wanted to go to the next level of fun and color, and just pretty much an expression. The magazine celebrated the home for being a dazzling home animated with pop Rio and a youthful energy. Designer Martin Lawrence Gallard told the magazine, "When we started this project, she wasn't even old enough to drink legally. This was her first really grown-up house." Kylie worked closely with the designer, making sure that every inch of the home was perfect for her. Kylie has a wardrobe to die for. So it's Nelson's price that closets and drawers are really important to her. She told the magazine that she had to make sure they were absolutely perfect. The house feels like a daydream. Kylie's white lacquer and acrylic grand piano, gold leaf ceiling, and vintage furniture were all pieces that spoke to Kylie's personality and aesthetic. She really used the design of the home to express herself. She didn't skimp out when it came to comfort either. The magazine noted her pet agony is shearling silk and alpaca carpets, snow leopard patterned velvet on the bare stools, and for bed covers. We know from Keeping Up with the Kardashians that while Kylie is private, she loves to host her friends and family, and it's obvious that this house was made for entertaining. The Lord even told Architectural Digest that there's nothing so precious in the house that you can't stand, jump, or dance on it. Kylie took custom to the next level with this home. Even the leather upholstery on the chairs was custom dyed to match colors from Kylie's famous lipstick collection. Halfway through the home run out, Kylie found out she was pregnant with Stormi, which sent the team back to the drawing board to make sure that a nursery and playroom fit for a princess could be incorporated into the decor. One of the best parts of this home is all the amazing art. She has a cheeky series of sculptures from artists Bowden's Size Does Matter series, Andy Warhol $ lithographs, and a dramatic portrait of herself. The home everyone's talking about, though, is the latest purchase of her Holmby Hills resort compound. That's right, the Star Powder Resort compounds come with 7 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, 2 guest houses, and a guardhouse. There's also a chef's kitchen, a formal dining area, gym bars, an outdoor projection screen, and everything you could ever dream up in a home. The home was listed for $45 million. But Kylie got a deal and snagged the property for $36 million. You probably recognize the house from Kylie's latest Instagram posts that look like she's on vacation. But nope, she's just at home. The single-story home is more than 15,000 square feet and has its own guardhouse at the front to ensure that the star and her family are safe whilst at home. The Kardashians are known for their commitment to working out, and that'll be no problem for Kylie, as the home has a home gym, championship-level tennis court, championship-level basketball court, and pool too. The home is super modern, but also looks like a castle fit for royalty. Every accent and piece of decor looks so carefully chosen to match the aesthetic of the home with high ceilings. So many places for guests to lounge and cement walls. This really does feel like the natural next home for Kylie after seeing her previous homes. Kylie has grown so much in such little time, and this house reflects that she has plenty of room for her family. This feels like the most mature and most Kylie purchases so far. The pool area is really a spectacle compared to her previous pools. This one takes the cake. It's surrounded by lounge space and is beautifully decorated. One might think they were on vacation in a tropical country when hanging out in this backyard. Not only are the pool and living areas immaculate, but the bar is one that you would expect to see at a 5-star hotel. This is the perfect home for someone who loves to host and entertain. The home also feels like it's so open. We can just imagine all the Kardashian kids loving this house. But will Kylie stay in it for long? The billionaire businesswoman just dropped $15 million on a 5-acre piece of land so that she can build her own dream house. While it feels like she's already had her dream house 5 times, dreams can change. The land that used to belong to Miley Cyrus, who used it for her animals. And now Kylie plans to build an $18,000 mega mansion there. We guess $15,000 wasn't quite enough. We wonder if Kylie is planning on growing her family to fill this house. Even if she's not, she has enough family members between her sisters, brothers, and all their children. We know every single square foot will go to good use. The land is near her sister Khloe and mom Kris homes. Kylie really has earned the title of real estate queen. She joins other Hollywood celebrities who are known for their real estate portfolios like Ellen DeGeneres, Patrick Dempsey, and Jennifer Aniston, and she did it all before turning 25. Rumor has it she could be back together with her ex-boyfriend and Stormi's father Travis Scott. If the rumors are true, we just know the two of them would have so much fun designing the home for their family. If the rumors aren't true, we know Kylie will make the best of it, creating the most amazing space for her family. We can't wait to find out what architect, designers, and artists she's working with, because they're sure to be top-notch. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.